To create a seamless transition from a hallway into a bathroom without a transition strip, plan and execute the threshold joint with precision so the flooring locks, seals, and performs under different moisture conditions. Start by choosing the same luxury vinyl plank profile and thickness for both the hallway and bathroom so locking mechanisms match and the appearance stays uniform. Measure the threshold width and lay out full planks from both directions first so the joint falls at a tongue or groove rather than an edge cut when possible. When cuts are required, mark the plank on the short side and use a fine-toothed jigsaw blade to follow the lines smoothly. Hold the plank firmly on a sacrificial board to prevent tear out. Dry fit each piece, working from the far wall toward the threshold so you can snap the locking profile precisely together without stressing the seams. Maintain the recommended expansion gap around the perimeter using spacers of the same thickness throughout, usually 3/8 of an inch or as specified by the manufacturer, and plan for a single continuous gap at the threshold rather than multiple offsets. Once planks are locked at the threshold, apply a flexible, paintable, mildew-resistant sealant only in the joint area if the bathroom will be wet, pressing gently into the seam to keep moisture from migrating underneath while allowing lateral movement. 3 common mistakes are cutting without dry fitting first, which leads to misaligned locking profiles, forcing planks together which stresses and damages locks, and neglecting moisture control at the bathroom edge. If you skip dry fitting, you risk ending with an exposed edge or a gap, so always assemble the pieces outside the joint and adjust layout before final cuts. Forcing planks can break the tongue or deform the groove, so tap gently with a tapping block and backer board to protect the locking surfaces. For moisture problems, do not rely on adhesive across the whole floor unless the product permits it. Instead, seal just the threshold seam with a flexible, mildew-resistant sealant and ensure proper subfloor waterproofing beneath the bathroom finish. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for work like seamless vinyl transitions and gives contractors a place to connect with potential clients. We also host a discussion community where users and professionals exchange tips, regional advice, and real project photos to help everyone plan and execute better installations.